This is paradise for us. It's a secret spot, and this is what we more or less what we have every day here. You know, outdoors, and everything here we do in the island is like having fun, sports, nature, and this is why we live here. Come with me, and you will see something even better. Mallorca is well known because it's like, we call it Sarroqueta, you know, it's like really rocky island, completely rocky. So if you want to get to the rock, to the mountains, up there sometimes you have like really steep roads, gravy roads, dirty roads, stony roads, and normally we have problems if you go with a standard car, you know, because it's difficult to get there, even if it's, you know, if it rains or something. So if you have a car like this, that's perfect. You have plenty of space for crash pad, all your bags, ropes, quick draws, helmets, shoes, everything for you and your partners there. So with a 4x4, that's perfect here in Mallorca. Climbing is more about, you know, using your strength, your technique, but fighting with your fears. It doesn't mean that you're taking more risks, yeah? It's just that you are valuing and quoting better the risk. In Mallorca, we have countless number of routes here. If you think about, you know, sport climbing, multi-pitch climbing, and then deep water soloing, even where we are talking right now, there's people who is bolting new routes and finding new lines. So hopefully, I mean, there's never ending.
Škoda. Simply clever.